Okay, part. Okay, part. Lace where? Grids where? What? Glue where? Ashy where? Welcome. I'm back, and if you have been keeping up with my latest videos, then you know two things. First is that I'm sick and tired of lace wigs, lace fronts, anything lace, anything that I need adhesive, tape, glue, I'm sick of it. So you know that. And then the second thing that you probably know is that I recently tried the new V-part wigs, I-part wigs that all the companies are coming out with. These wigs are similar to U-parts in the sense that you can use your own hair as leave out or none at all. Like I said, you know that I just recently tried a curly one from Nadula, and I am here to try a body wave one, and we're gonna really see how this one works because y'all see this hair? It ain't body wave texture, okay? So I have some Brazilian body wave hair for them. It's 24 inches, and we are gonna see if we can make it do what it do with this install. Of course, y'all know how the inside look. It looks like the construct of a typical wig. We've got the small adjustable strap in the back. We have the combs to secure it in the back, but we have these tiny little clips similar to the clips that you see on clip-ins, where you can snap the V-part wig into place. So we're gonna try our options. Let's get into it. All right, so I added some spiral curls to it that I'm just gonna let sit until I get everything together. Then I'm gonna brush it out last. And I have my two little pieces of leave out here. Of course, I'm not even gonna try to do it without leave out because it just gives me invisible part vibes. Y'all remember invisible part? I never liked invisible part, so we're gonna do it without it. So. Okay, part. Okay, part. So how are we feeling about the final look? I mean, hands down, one of the quickest installs I've ever done. It's like a U-part without the sewing. I'm in love with the ease of it all, the quickness of it all. In terms of the blend game, this hair is much finer than my natural texture, but of course, because there's such minimal leave out, it does still blend pretty good. The unit is not super thick, which I love because my real hair is not super thick. I'm sure you could change the density if you want to. I'll put all the details about this unit below just in case you're interested. And that's it. It's really just as simple as that. Thank y'all so much. Ooh. I can't stop. I need to stop. Thanks so much for watching. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I always appreciate it. And of course, until next time.